In the vast sea of recreational vehicles, the Jayco Alante RV stands tall, akin to a lighthouse guiding seafarers. It's an unparalleled blend of luxury, comfort, practicality, and affordability in the Class A segment of RVs. Let us dive into its features and see how it surpasses its counterparts in the RV market. The Jayco Alante RV doesn't merely compete, it leads the pack with the J-Ride stability, giving it an edge over other RVs. Where others offer mere transportation, the Alante provides a home. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey and the experiences in between. In the realm of power and performance, the Jayco Alante RV is a titan. Its Ford F53 chassis and 7.3-liter 335-horsepower V8 engine provides unmatched power. Paired with the 6-speed automatic torque-shift transmission, ensures a smooth ride even on the roughest terrains. But what's power without control? The Alante comes with a computer-balanced driveshaft that provides electronic stability control, standard front and rear stabilizer bars, and jounce bumpers to provide a ride that's as smooth as silk. The Alante is not just a pretty face, it's an architectural marvel on wheels. With its seamless crown molding, high-intensity recessed LED ceiling lights, and vinyl flooring, it's a moving monument of elegance and style. But the Alante is not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort and convenience. The RV comes with a well-equipped kitchen, a residential-style bathroom, and a cozy bedroom, making it a haven of comfort on wheels. Jayco has always been known for its commitment to safety, and the Alante is no exception with a 2-year limited warranty, which is huge in the RV industry. It comes with safety features such as seatbelts in every seating position and a smoke alarm. It also has a backup and side view cameras with a monitor for a stress-free driving experience. The Alante is a testament to Jayco's commitment to sustainability. It is equipped with energy-efficient appliances and fixtures, ensuring minimal impact on the environment. The Jayco Alante RV is a symphony of style, comfort, and functionality. And due to its size, it is allowed in all state national parks. So what are the benefits again? 1. It's a titan in terms of power and performance. 2. It's an architectural marvel in terms of design. And 3. It's a sanctuary of safety. Look, it's more than just an RV, it's a lifestyle. I said it before and I'll say it again. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And the Alante ensures that the journey is as enjoyable as the destination. So, if you're looking for an RV that offers more than just transportation, that provides a home away from home, that ensures a smooth and safe ride, and that respects the environment, the Jayco Alante RV is the choice for you. It's not just an RV, it's a statement, a testament to your taste and style. So go on the journey of a lifetime and travel to new destinations, because it is about the experiences and the memories that you will make, and the Jayco Alante RV is the perfect vehicle to create those memories. In the vast sea of recreational vehicles, the Alante, a smaller but true Class A RV that is a lighthouse, guiding you towards unforgettable experiences and memories. It's not just an RV, it's a lifestyle. Choose the Alante, choose style, comfort, and unforgettable experiences. In a nutshell, the Jayco Alante RV is a titan of power and performance, a marvel of design, a sanctuary of safety, and a testament to sustainability. It's more than just an RV, it's a lifestyle. When you choose the Alante RV, you are choosing a lifestyle of freedom to go where the road leads you. In the world of recreational vehicles, the Jayco Alante RV truly stands tall. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.